Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for watching another Fat Guy Builds episode. Today we're putting these oEdRo LED lights on the front of this Jeep. And I'm going to take you and just give you an overview of how bright they are, what they look like, how many LEDs, blah, 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 down below. And I'm going to have the links for all the brackets and extra stuff that I had to buy in order to put this kit together in the description below. So let's get to it. Here's the part number for the lights. So the lights come in a whole bunch of styrofoam all the way around, everything. Got a little booklet, but they're packed very well, so you shouldn't get damage in shipping. Got a couple little hardware, 2 baggies of hardware, and 2 lights. Here is the mounting bracket that comes with the light. So you're going to use a short bolt that goes through the hole in the bottom, a lock washer, and a nut. Then the long one is going to go through, then lock washer and nut. And this is what the light holds onto, like so. And then this one is what mounts to the mounting bracket. This is what they look like mounted up to this Jeep. There's 2 little brackets, also found on Amazon. I'll put a link down below for those. And then we have a relay under the hood. I'll put a link down below for that. I'm not going to show you guys how to wire them up in this video. I just want to show you how bright the lights are, what the spread pattern looks like on my wall. So we have the bracket that bolts right here to the windshield. That has a little tang here. The hole for this was bigger than the stud that came with this kit. So I just used one fender washer from Ace Hardware or any other hardware store. So the washer is pretty big. The wiring is going to go through this little squishy area here and then go in by the dash, and then it's going to get all wired up and eventually come out of a grommet under the hood. So these lights have 17 separate LEDs built in. Wow, we're in the dark. Okay, so I'm going to undo passenger side. And then, so right now, we're about 20 feet from the wall. And that wall is 12 feet tall. And so the circle is 12 feet, pretty much at 20 feet away. So that's pretty good. And then we're going to open the other one. And so we just have them sort of aimed where they overlap in the middle. And it's straight, right? But if you're going to be off-road and you're just going to have one light, you can shine it off to the side of the vehicle or whatever. And you're going to get a decent size circle, you know, depending on how far away you are from the tree line or whatever you're shining this stuff on. So overall brightness is pretty good. So don't stare directly into the lights. This shit is bright. So from the side, you still get a little bit of light from the side, not much. But yeah, there's no lights in here. It's a sealed shop. And it's lighting this entire area pretty nicely. And then it's even going off to over there. So, pretty good. Thanks to all of you for checking out another episode of mine. My final thoughts on these LEDs are, for the money, they're really pretty good. I mean, what are they? Mid-50s? You get 2 big lights that cast at 20 foot, pretty much a 12-foot circle. And yeah, I mean, comes with the hardware to mount them. You just need to get your own brackets depending on what vehicle you're putting them on. You might not all be putting them on the Jeeps. And yeah, I'd say go ahead and grab them for that price. Can't complain. Now, if these things were like $100, I would say don't buy them. But at the 55, 56 bucks, whatever they are, it's a good deal. So the link's down below. Check them out. Till next time, wrench on.